Welcome to video 1 about the logistics of using OR packages and our instruction material. So the focus of this course is to introduce you to more advanced coding in OR. So we're going to look at the resources and times and aims of this course in this video before we talk about more advanced things in later videos. And that will include looking at tidy data, looking at making your own functions and subroutines, how to find useful packages, using the suite of packages in Bioconductor, which is a container for lots of packages, and then using databases and how to download data of interest from databases. So our plan for this course is to have 2 labs here on Monday 23rd at 2 to 4 in the Playwright conference room, and then also on Thursday. And then you have time then to take on board these instructional videos in advance. And the time allotted here is just to give an indication of how long it might take you to understand things more appropriately. And what we're doing here as well is pacing ourselves so it would take things off at bite-sized portions. So we're not trying to do all things at once. You'll find there's a lot of new material, but it'll take you some time just to get more familiar with it. There's a huge variety of learning resources, a section of them compiled here. This Recon Learn is a compilation of an introduction to OR. There's another one on the reproducibility in R. There's one on importing data into R. There's ones on simple rules for teaching yourself R for data science, hands-on programming with R, and how to find and select R packages as well. So there's lots of material out there depending on what's of interest to you. So we need to think about what you want to focus on and what you want to get from this. So what we want to do in this course is learn about data flow in R and how to manage data, whether from packages or your own imported data. That data management is very, very important, and we want to see how we can use packages to actually give us the data that we want. And we're going to look at how we can send queries to databases and get data back. So that means we're going to look at how to use functions, subroutines, and using code that you maybe find as useful functions, choosing packages, and then using things in Bioconductor. In particular, Bioconductor gives you good access to different databases. So what we want to think about now is efficient coding approaches to achieve your goals for more complex tasks, to identify the OR packages that are useful for you, and think about how you can use data from diverse sources. So